We're back with Ryan Brenton to chat a little bit about your forecast because we are approaching the big shift that's coming midweek here.
Yeah, in some years, this is about as hot as we get all summer.
Right.
For sure.
Sometimes. And we're not going to get this hot again for a while. We've got a little bit of a ride, so we're jumping on the temperature roller coaster here these next couple of days. Today, a second day of a record high in Portland at 89, but by Friday morning, there will be areas of frost, particularly inland, with temperatures that drop into the 30s in spots. This is all because the Bermuda area of high pressure that's been dominating our weather is starting to break down a little bit. Cold front has gone by and cool, dry high pressure coming in from Canada. There were only a few little showers today along this front. Otherwise, it's really just changing the air and kicking up the wind. We have wind gusts to about 30 miles per hour right now, and it's still super warm. But look at Rangeley and look at Caribou. That's the cooler and, more importantly to many of you, drier air. Dew points there have dropped into the 40s already, and that dry air will come right down as we go through the evening and overnight tonight. Here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. A nice evening out there, lots of sunshine. It turns a little bit drier over the next couple of hours and much drier later tonight and tomorrow morning. We start the day for most of us in the 40s, but there could be some 30s across the far north. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, just mixing with a few clouds to the south. Temperatures back to closer to average, if not a couple degrees below inland. Most places between 60 and 65, but it's quite cool actually in northern Maine tomorrow, only in the 50s there. Friday morning, the potential for some frost. You can get frost around 36 or 37 degrees, and that will be possible in some spots Friday morning. Afternoon looks nice though. We bounce back into the 60s, and then heading into the weekend, this area of high pressure is in place on Saturday. It looks like a dry day with a mix of sunshine and some thickening clouds through the afternoon. It looks like Sunday is going to be a cloudy and cooler day, and there may be a few showers, particularly in western and southern Maine in the afternoon. But the highest chance for rain over the 3-day weekend will be on Monday, with scattered showers throughout the day. On the water tomorrow, seas 2 to 4 feet, a north wind 5 to 15 knots out there. Lots of sun here the next 3 days. I think of the holiday weekend, Saturday will be the nicest. There will be a little bit of an onshore breeze, so inland areas in the upper 60s, lower to mid 60s at the coast on Saturday. A cooler day on Sunday, only in the upper 50s at the coast, low 60s inland, and then some showers around for Memorial Day. It looks pretty nice though, middle of next week.
It does. We'll take that.
You bet.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.